Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to update now, so make sure the device is powered or plugged in. An interrupted update can brick the system. First, save your files and close apps to avoid conflicts. Next, sign in as the primary user, open settings, and go straight to About Chrome OS. Tap Check for updates. The device will download any available build automatically. While downloading, avoid heavy network use so the update completes faster and more reliably. Once the update begins downloading, monitor progress and keep your Chromebook online. If possible, switch to a stable Wi-Fi network or wired Ethernet to reduce failures. After the download finishes, you'll receive a Restart to Update prompt. Accept it now. The system will install updates during reboot. Do not close the lid or disconnect power. When the progress bar completes, the device boots into the new build and applies final configuration, which may take a few additional minutes. After your Chromebook restarts, verify the version under About Chrome OS to ensure the update applied. Test essential apps and settings. If something looks off, reboot once more and check again, since some changes need a second boot. If apps still misbehave, clear browser and app caches and check extensions. If the update fails repeatedly, create recovery media on another computer or perform a power wash as a last resort. This resets user data but preserves device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.